Come test drive the 2019 XC60. From sidewalks to pathways in the blink of an eye, the XC60 was named a Consumer's Digest Best Buy in the cars, pickups, minivans, SUVs, and hybrids category and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power lift gate, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather shift knob, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, power driver seat. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.